Have you ever wondered what the most beautiful places in Austria are? Austria, a gem in the heart of Europe, is renowned for its cultural richness, breathtaking landscapes, and historical sites. From the alpine meadows of Tyrol to the Baroque architecture of Vienna, Austria is a treasure trove of beauty and history. Its charm is as diverse as its landscapes, offering a captivating blend of natural and cultural wonders. So pack your curiosity and let's embark on a journey of discovery. Join us as we explore the 30 most beautiful places in Austria. Starting our countdown at number 30, we have the historical city of Linz. The third largest city in Austria, Linz is a hub of culture and history, with its old town offering a picturesque stroll through centuries of architectural marvels. The Lentos Art Museum and the Ars Electronica Center are just some of the unique features that make this city a must-visit. Next up at number 29 is the charming village of Hallstatt. Known for its production of salt dating back to prehistoric times, Hallstatt is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Nestled between a serene lake and towering mountains, this village offers breathtaking views that encapsulate the beauty of Austria. At number 28, we find the Eisriesenwelt ice caves in Werfen. These are the world's largest ice caves, a natural work of art formed over thousands of years. The frozen waterfalls and ice palaces inside the caves create a mesmerizing spectacle, making it a place of extraordinary beauty. Number 27 takes us to the Bregenz Forest, a mountainous region in Vorarlberg. The forest is a paradise for nature lovers, with its lush green landscapes, tranquil lakes, and the harmonious blend of traditional and contemporary architecture in the local villages. The forest's unique feature is the Cheese Road, where visitors can discover the art of cheesemaking, a tradition deeply rooted in the region's culture. Finally, at number 26, we have the Vienna Woods, a designated biosphere reserve by UNESCO. It's a haven for wildlife and flora, offering an idyllic escape for those looking to immerse themselves in nature. The Vienna Woods also house the Meierling Hunting Lodge, a place steeped in history and intrigue, and that was just the beginning. Let's move on to the next 5. Moving along to number 25, we find ourselves in the charming town of Bregenz. Nestled on the eastern shores of Lake Constance, Bregenz is a vibrant mix of history, culture, and natural beauty. The town's medieval core, the Upper Town, is a charming area with cobblestone streets and centuries-old buildings, while the lake offers stunning views and a plethora of water-based activities. Next up at number 24 is Hallstatt, a fairy tale town that seems plucked right out of a storybook. Perched on the edge of a mirror-like lake and surrounded by towering mountains, Hallstatt is a place of breathtaking beauty. With its unique wooden houses and the iconic Hallstatt Church, this town is a must-visit for anyone seeking a truly enchanting experience. Coming in at number 23 is the Grossglockner High Alpine Road. Stretching across the heart of the Hohe Tauern National Park, this panoramic road offers some of the most awe-inspiring views in Austria. From majestic peaks and vast glaciers to blooming alpine meadows and serene mountain lakes, the Grossglockner High Alpine Road is a journey of pure natural splendor. Next on our list, at number 22, is the historic city of Salzburg. Known as the birthplace of Mozart and the setting for the classic film The Sound of Music, Salzburg is a city where history and culture come alive. With its beautiful Baroque architecture, stunning palaces, and the imposing Hohensalzburg fortress, Salzburg offers a rich tapestry of experiences for every visitor. Finally, at number 21, we have the picturesque village of Altbach. Often referred to as the most beautiful village in Austria, Altbach is a place where time seems to stand still. With its traditional wooden houses, blooming flower gardens, and the stunning backdrop of the Austrian Alps, Altbach is a true gem that encapsulates the charm and beauty of rural Austria. As we continue our journey, the beauty of Austria becomes more evident. Each place, with its own unique charm and character, invites us to explore and discover the many facets of this incredible country. We're now at the 20th spot, and it's only getting better. Welcome to the charming town of Bad Ischl, a spa town that once served as a summer getaway for Emperor Franz Joseph. It's a delightful blend of history and relaxation, with thermal springs and grand architecture, including the Imperial Villa, a testament to Austria's regal past. Moving on to the 19th spot, we have the impressive Hallstatt. Nestled between a serene lake and towering mountains, this village exudes a timeless charm. Its salt mines are considered the oldest in the world, and its beautiful market square is a hub of local life. Hallstatt is a place where the beauty of nature meets human ingenuity. Next, we arrive at the 18th spot. The Vienna Woods. This biosphere reserve on the outskirts of Austria's capital, Vienna, offers a perfect escape from city life. Its lush green forests, vineyards, and quaint villages are a haven for nature lovers, wine enthusiasts, and those seeking tranquility. At the 17th spot is the Wachau Valley, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This picturesque region along the Danube River is known for its cultural landscape, featuring medieval towns, vineyards, and historic castles. The valley's beauty changes with the seasons, each one bringing a new palette of colors. Rounding out our journey today is the 16th spot, the Grossglockner High Alpine Road. This panoramic road offers stunning views of Austria's highest mountain, the Grossglockner, and its glacier, the Pasтерze. It's a journey of breathtaking vistas, alpine meadows, and sparkling snowfields. As we've seen, Austria is more than just its capital, Vienna. It's a country of diverse landscapes, historical towns, and stunning natural beauty. Each place has its own charm, its own story to tell. And the best part? We're only 2/3 through our list. The next 5 spots are even more breathtaking. Get ready for more of Austria's stunning beauty in the scenes to come. We're halfway through our list, and Austria continues to amaze us. Let's set off on the next leg of our journey, discovering 5 more breathtaking destinations. At number 15, we find ourselves in the enchanting town of Hallstatt. This picture-perfect hamlet is a blend of natural beauty and rich history. Nestled between a serene lake and towering mountains, Hallstatt's charm is elevated by its well-preserved, centuries-old buildings. Next, at number 14, we visit the vibrant city of Innsbruck. Known as the capital of the Alps, Innsbruck is a unique blend of urban life and alpine nature. This city is not just visually stunning, but also a hub of cultural richness, with a plethora of museums, galleries, and architectural marvels. As we move to number 13, we find ourselves in the tranquil environs of Lake Wolfgang. Surrounded by majestic mountains, this sparkling lake is the epitome of serenity. It's the perfect spot for nature lovers who want to escape the hustle and bustle and simply bask in the beauty of the natural world. Coming in at number 12, we have the historic city of Salzburg. Known as the birthplace of Mozart, Salzburg is a symphony of Baroque architecture, lush gardens, and music. This city is a testament to Austria's rich historical and cultural legacy. Finally, at number 11, we explore the mesmerizing beauty of the Styrian wine country. This region is a paradise for wine lovers, offering a scenic landscape dotted with vineyards, charming wine taverns, and quaint villages. So there you have it, 5 more stunning Austrian destinations that have stolen our hearts. Each place, with its own unique charm, speaks volumes of the country's natural splendor, rich history, and cultural vibrancy. Stay tuned as we delve into the top 10 most beautiful places in Austria. Welcome to the top 10. Every place from here on is a must-visit. At number 10, we have the idyllic town of Hallstatt. Nestled between the Hallstatter Sea and the Dachstein Mountains, it's a charming blend of natural beauty and historical significance. Its picturesque houses, mirrored in the still waters of the lake, are a sight to behold. Next up at number 9 is the Grossglockner High Alpine Road. This panoramic route winds through the heart of the Hohe Tauern National Park, offering breathtaking views of Austria's highest mountain, the Grossglockner. It's a paradise for nature lovers and road trip enthusiasts alike. At number 8, we have the vibrant city of Innsbruck. Known as the bridge between the East and West, Innsbruck captivates with its blend of urban life and spectacular alpine scenery. The city's colorful buildings set against the dramatic backdrop of the Nordkette mountain range is a sight not to be missed. 7th on our list is the beautiful region of Styria, also known as the Green Heart of Austria. Known for its rolling hills, vineyards, and castles, Styria offers a taste of quintessential Austrian countryside. Its capital, Graz, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a hub of design and innovation. At number 6, we have the Wachau Valley, a stretch of the Danube River between Melk and Krems. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, renowned for its high-quality wines, apricot orchards, and historical landmarks. Whether you're exploring its medieval towns or cruising down the Danube, the Wachau Valley promises a memorable experience. Each of these places offers a unique slice of Austria, capturing the country's diverse landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. From the tranquil waters of Hallstatt to the bustling streets of Innsbruck, from the verdant hills of Styria to the historic charm of the Wachau Valley, Austria's beauty is truly unparalleled. We're now ready to reveal the top 5 most beautiful places in Austria. Here we are, at the top 5 most beautiful places in Austria. Starting at number 5, we have the breathtaking Lake Wolfgang. Nestled in the Salzkammergut Lake region, this enchanting body of water offers an array of water sports in the summer, while the winter months transform it into a winter wonderland. The towns around the lake, including St. Wolfgang and St. Gilgen, are picturesque examples of Austrian charm. Next, at number 4, is the historic city of Salzburg. Known as the birthplace of Mozart and for the filming of The Sound of Music, Salzburg is a city of Baroque architecture, music, and culture. Highlights include Hohensalzburg Fortress, offering panoramic views of the city, and Mirabell Palace with its beautiful gardens. On to number 3, the scenic Großglockner High Alpine Road. This panoramic road takes you through the heart of the Hohe Tauern National Park, with the majestic Großglockner Mountain as its crowning glory. The road is an adventure in itself, with numerous vista points, hiking trails, and information points about the flora, fauna, and geology of the region. At number 2, we find the vibrant city of Vienna. The Austrian capital is a treasure trove of history, art, and culture. The grand Hofburg Palace, the charming Schönbrunn Palace and gardens, and the iconic St. Stephen's Cathedral are just some of the must-visit spots. And let's not forget the city's famous coffee culture and delectable pastries. Finally, we have the stunning Hallstatt at number 1. Often referred to as the prettiest lakeside village in the world, Hallstatt is a dream come true. Its pastel-colored houses, the sparkling lake, and the towering Dockstein Mountains create a fairy tale-like atmosphere that is beyond compare. And there you have it, the most beautiful place in Austria. From stunning landscapes to historical sites, Austria truly has it all. We've ventured through the breathtaking alpine peaks, the charming, timeless villages, the majestic palaces, and the tranquil, serene lakes. Each place, unique and beautiful, paints a diverse picture of Austria's beauty. These 30 spots merely scratch the surface of what this incredible country has to offer. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the most beautiful places in Austria. We hope to see you again soon.